I'm Joe Bellia from Joe's Roma. It's showtime.
The eggplant. Perhaps not the first thing that comes to mind when you start thinking about fine Italian cuisine, but it's sure to make a lasting impression if it's coming out of the kitchen at Joe's La Roma. We are back with Joe Bellia for another Mamma Mia Monday. I'm assuming that whatever we're making has something to do with this.
Sure, we're gonna make eggplant rollatini today. I know a lot of people during the Lent season, don't eat meat on Friday, so we're gonna do a little eggplant dish, a little vegetable dish.
Oh, okay, all right.
It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. We start off with a full eggplant, and we lop off the two sides, and just peel it like so, until you get it to like this, and then take a knife, and we're gonna slice it long ways with a knife.
Okay, all right.
All right.
We got slices, okay.
Okay. And then you want to put one.
Did I do a good job?
You did. You did a great job.
Just checking.
You know, a little pregame before the show there. Then we take one slice there. We're gonna put it in the flour, both sides. Just.
What do we do?
This is bread. We're breading it.
You got egg here too, right?
Flour, egg, and then breadcrumb, right?
So I'm going there.
Yep.
Right, okay. Both sides, I assume.
Yep. Dredge it in there. And then just put it right into the breadcrumb.
Straight to the breadcrumb.
Let me get a plate. Sorry.
You thought I was going to stand here and hold it, didn't you?
And then you can put it right there.
Okay. All right, there we go.
So you would you repeat that about 3 or 4 times.
Can I do another one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
While you're doing that, I'll talk about the filling.
Yes.
So you repeat that about 3 or 4 times, and then you want to fry that. You could do it in the air fryer. I've never done that way, but I've heard people do. Or I'm used to doing it on the stovetop with frying oil, maybe about a minute on both sides on a medium heat.
And you were saying before the cameras came on that you think that the eggplant is underutilized.
I do. Many people, when you think about a vegetable dinner or vegetables on the side, even they don't think about eggplant. You know, it's kind of overlooked in the supermarkets. You know,
Obviously, it's a vegetable, so it's good for you.
it's great. It's great for you. What we're gonna do? Yeah, it's perfect, Jimmy. You've done that before, haven't you?
No.
Okay. So then we're gonna fry those. Like I said, you want to let them sit for about half an hour or so, just so they get pliable, because we're gonna fill them with ricotta cheese filling.
That's the rollatini part.
That's the rollatini part.
She's better at the rollatini part than I am.
I don't know about that.
I can dredge myself an eggplant, but come rollatini, yeah, I'm pretty much done then.
So what we'll do there, Lisa, if you don't mind helping me,
No.
we're just gonna put this, these ingredients, which is cheese, pepper, salt, and parsley, into the ricotta cheese.
Okay. And just put all this in there?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just gonna break 1 egg.
I'm glad you're doing that.
Over that, and if you want to mix that in with the spoon,
Oh, okay.
just give it a little mix.
Little mix.
In the meantime, while you're doing that, I'm going to lay some mozzarella cheese inside the eggplant slices right there.
Okay.
And it's that easy. You just put whatever ingredients you like. People put whatever they like in that. A little paprika or Old Bay. I mean, you can make it a little Chesapeake style there.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
after you've done that, you just want to take a dollop of that and put it right into one of the.
That about?
Yep, perfect.
Okay.
Right on top of the cheese.
Right on top of the cheese.
Maybe just another half a dollop.
Half a dollop.
Yes, ma'am.
Being a little stingy on the dollops.
There you go.
You know, dollop is subjective, I guess.
Yeah, right. Perfect.
This is starting to look good already.
Yeah.
So once you've done that,
Okay, I'm going to need a little bit more.
sure.
Oh, sure.
Dollop.
If we pull those a little closer to us, and if you want to just roll it like I roll my shirts when I was growing up. Mom, I folded my clothes.
And it doesn't break.
That's right. So
that's why you leave it
that's the
sit.
part of letting it sit for about half an hour or so, just to let it make it more pliable.
Mine's not
okay.
as
I didn't know.
rolled as yours, so I went back.
There you go. And then I'm going to get a spoon. I'm sorry.
Oh, don't smish it.
Put a little bit of sauce. This is my homemade marinara sauce into a casserole dish, just so it won't stick. And then you're just going to place the rolls right inside the casserole dish there.
Okay.
And then you want to put your fold down,
Fold, of course, yeah. That makes sense.
so they won't come unrolled. That's right.
Some of my cheese is coming
It's all
out.
good.
That's a big surprise that Lisa would put so much cheese on there, huh?
I'm just going to put a little bit of sauce on top.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh.
Just cover the breadcrumb real nice so that it won't burn. And we put that in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
And I guess we'll see.
Dig in.
Yeah.
We're going to dig in after the break. Stick around. Delmarvalife will be right back. plenty of Mamma Mia Monday magic happening in the Delmarvalife kitchen this afternoon. That's all thanks to our good friend, Chef Joe Bellia, Joe's Roma.
Right.
And we're highlighting eggplant today.
Eggplant is front and center today, yes.
Yeah.
The magic of TV go to work?
Yep, I'm gonna get it out of the oven real quick.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's been cooking for about 20 minutes or so. We're just gonna go ahead and get it right out of this pan. The casserole dish is kind of warm. Put it right onto a dish. If we could.
Oh my goodness.
Put that behind me. I'm just gonna
And
top it
then
with a
you
little
got-
bit of
what is
fresh
that?
Parmesan Romano.
Oh,
And then a little bit of basil. And you can serve this with pasta or even some more vegetables on the side, whatever you like.
how do you like it?
I like it just the way it is. It's a
Just the way it
yeah.
is? Yeah.
Is this one mine?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So,
Knife, extra knife there
all
for
right,
you.
let me
Yeah, I
do
guess
some
I guess we
cutting
do the
here,
switch here. Yep.
because otherwise we're both going to eat all of one.
And you can see it sets really nice. It
yeah.
kind of bakes
It
in.
does.
It doesn't fall out.
Joe, this is magnificent. So you offer this at
I
Joe's
do. We
Roma?
add that on our menu, yes.
Yeah.
And you can also use those eggplants as lasagna sheets. So if you wanted to do
Oh,
a
yeah.
vegetarian lasagna,
Okay.
you use the eggplant slices and for your lasagna sheets, and you can put vegetables in your ricotta.
How was Valentine's Day?
It was great. We had a great time. We had one of our busiest weekends we've had so far. It's been awesome.
I know. I drive by there sometimes and I see a lot of cars.
Oh yeah.
I'm like,
Doesn't take
yeah,
much for that parking lot to look full, but yeah, there's a lot of cars. There.
this is excellent. This is excellent.
Great vegetarian dish, yes.
We've had people, and you've mentioned this before, we've had people say, have you ever had something to eat that you really were, not from Joe.
Not from Joe.
Not
no,
from Joe,
no. In
ever.
fact, we have to hold ourselves back
Yeah.
from eating. Obviously, I'm not doing that right now. Joe, thank you so much.
Thank you guys for having me.
You guys are located on Route 13, Fruitland, across from Food Line, open Wednesday,
Wednesday through Saturday.
Saturday.
Mars Pizza Tuesday. You get your orders through Facebook or on our website. Give us a call.
And get yourself some eggplant rollatini.
There you go.
Really darn good. Stick around. Delmarvalife, be right back.